Complete installation kit for bilge pumps with 1/1/8 inch outlet. Includes 6-foot black corrugated 1/1/8 inch ID hose. Includes 2 number 10 stainless steel hose clamps. White through-hull fitting with 1/7/8 inch flange. Through-hull fitting accommodates up to 1/1/4 inch hull thickness. Top reviews from the United States. It pumps. Seriously. A life changer. Had an old bilge pump coming with the boat. Boat is in the canal. Needed a working bilge pump. Ordered this one, with 2 criteria, price and automatic. Arrived, rapidly, no problem, super easy to install, the only little negative note. We had to find one, right? It's a little noisy. Just a little. But it will be covered soon. Which will makes it totally perfect. Voila!